Welcome to VOVV.AI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to turn one product photo into brand-ready visuals with AI. Let's start. From your dashboard, click Create Product Visuals. First, select the product you want to work with. You can upload a new product image or choose one from your existing product library. This is the starting point. One product photo becomes the foundation for an entire set of AI-generated visuals. Next, move to the Shots step. Here, VOVV.AI recommends shot types based on your product category, so you do not need to figure everything out from scratch. You can select clean product shots, realistic on-model looks, movement-based images, close-up detail shots, and more creative brand imagery. And with over 1,000 shots across categories, VOVV.AI gives you the flexibility to create exactly the kind of visuals your brand needs. Whether you're working with activewear, beauty, fragrance, bags, jewelry, food, home decor, or tech, you can explore a wide variety of shot styles built for different products and creative goals. Simply choose the shots you want in your set. After selecting your shots, continue to set up. This is where VOVV.AI helps shape the final look of your visuals. You can choose background styles, pick a model for on-model images, and define the visual direction for the whole set. VOVV.AI also includes AI styling support, so instead of manually building every look, you can start from intelligent styling suggestions and refine from there. If you want more control, open the styling customization options. Here, you can adjust the outfit direction and fine-tune how the AI should style the final images. You can even apply one styling direction across multiple shots, helping the full set feel more consistent and more on-brand. Once your setup looks right, go to Review. Here, you'll choose the final output settings, including image format, how many images to generate per scene, and the quality level. You'll also see a clear summary of your selected product, selected scenes, total output count, and credit cost before generating. When everything is ready, click Generate. VOVV.AI will now transform your product image into a full set of realistic, high-quality visuals. Now it's your turn. Select your product and generate multiple brand-ready images for your brand. Start creating now with VOVV.AI.